What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. Currently sitting at 274. We're up about 1.5 on the day. Looks like we may be coming down for a double bottom. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.93 billion. 24-hour volume 665 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, my favorite app for investing. All right, guys. So here's Fantom on the 4-hour time frame. So we had a little bit of a bounce. We saw a little bit of a bounce with Bitcoin as well. And now we're seeing a bit of rollover, but this is actually what we want to see here. Because if we can create a double bottom, we can create that reversal pattern that we're looking for, then we can break back out to the upside once again. So if you do see us come down to 264 and we bounce, do watch us to break out of this double bottom. Could bring Fantom up here. Let me give it a little measurement to about $3.24. So we did have our buy zones here. We were triggered into our trade at 305. We hit our buy zone at 264. So if we do lose this level of support, do target 236 as your next buy zone. If you are dollar cost averaging into your trade, brings down your average price and you ride the slingshot back up. All right, guys. So we are currently underneath the EMAs. So do keep an eye on that double bottom forming. If we look at Fantom here on the daily, check this out, guys. I think I had gone over this already, but we came right up to the 1.618 extension and we've fallen back down onto the 1.414. So we're doing exactly what we need to do for continuation. We come back down to the 20 EMA, as Fantom loves to do on the daily, comes back down to the 20 EMA continuation. So the worst case scenario here is we're going to quickly look at Bitcoin. So we have an inverse head and shoulders for Bitcoin, but if we do come down and validate, if we fail to break this neckline, let me take out this line here. We also have a descending broadening wedge. That was the wrong line here. I want to take out this one. Actually, we can take this fib out because it's a little bit distracting here. So we also have a descending broadening wedge. So if this pattern is to play out and we're getting rejected here by this level of resistance, then we can come back down. We can also create a double bottom at 58.2K, which I've been talking about the last few days for Bitcoin. We come up, we create a second bottom, and we break out. But then we also have this descending broadening wedge. So if we were to come all the way down to this level of support, could bring Bitcoin all the way back down to about close to 54.5K, this previous level of support here. We may wick down. I don't think it's a likely scenario in my opinion. I'm more biased to the fact that we hold the 20 EMA and that we break out. But especially if we come down, we lose the 20 EMA, we lose 58.2 as support, then we can come down to this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and bounce back to the upside. That's one of the possibilities here, guys, but I would also keep an eye on this double bottom. This inverse head and shoulders has not been invalidated yet. So if the bulls step up and break us out of this neckline, our target is 68K. But if we invalidate it, if we come down, we invalidate this right shoulder, then we can create that double bottom. And if we lose that level of support, do target about 55K, which is the level of support, the trend line of support from this descending broadening wedge for Bitcoin. And then if that does happen, if we come all the way down to 55K, that's when you may see Fantom lose 264 and come down to 236, which lines up with the 1.272. Would be a harder correction than I would expect for Fantom, but it is a possibility here, guys. And we'd also find support along the 200 EMA. We create a strong level of support and we break out. But in the short term, watch for this double bottom. If we bounce, we can see that breakout back to the upside. Bitcoin creates that double bottom and we bounce and we see that breakout to the upside. Or Bitcoin just creates a smaller double bottom right here. Little something like this here, creates a second bottom, breakout. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for Fantom. I do think we have a good chance of bouncing off the 20 EMA at 264, creating that double bottom. But if we do lose that level of support, do target 235. And if you are using this dollar cost averaging strategy, it allows you to get more money into your trade while bringing down your average price, and you can ride the slingshot back up. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one. Smash that like button. Check out crypto.com. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.